That is the most common reaction when it comes to cloning. Actually, all cloning is. It is a way of replicating a gene or an organism. Cloning has existed for millions of years, while asexual reproduction has. And in fact, every single cell in your body is a clone, because cells reproduce by dividing themselves. The topic that concerns everyone, though, is artificial cloning. Let's look into the process. There are two main types: molecular cloning DNA segments and organism cloning. Molecular cloning is the one that has been around the longest. The type of cloning is used for creation of recombinant DNA, a DNA chain made of genes from multiple sources, which is then introduced into a host organism. Then, when the organism reproduces, its descendants contain the same DNA we've inserted. While molecular cloning is actively used in scientific study, organism cloning is banned in half of the countries. The process of organism cloning works by preparing a surrogate X cell, an empty X cell, and implanting a donor nucleus into it. If the process works and the cell begins to divide, it is transferred into the uterus of a surrogate mother. The first successful clone of a pre-existing organism was Dolly. Not that Dolly. Dolly the sheep, who was born in 1996 in Scotland. But why do we even need to clone organisms? Well, many think we don't, and actually potential reasons for cloning might be quite unethical. For example, creating yourself a clone as a first aid kit in case you need a new kidney, or bringing back your deceased child because you want an identically looking one.
Would you like to raise an identical version of yourself?